Hey guys, it's Jason with Home Spectors. Pools can be a great addition to the home. Today we're going to go over a basic pool inspection. One of the first items you're going to be inspecting around the pool is the decking. It should be in generally good condition. You will want to note any typical cracks, large cracks, or any deterioration. Other items you'll be inspecting are accessories to the pool, such as diving boards and slides. You'll want to make sure that they appear functional and that they are properly secured. You also want to check safety items around the pool, such as ladders to be sure they are secure, and fences to be sure they are 48 inches high and have a self-closing gate. An example of a self-closing gate. You'll also want to check the liner to be sure it's not torn or damaged or loose in any area. Also, you'll want to check the jets. Just reach down and make sure that the jets are actually pumping water out of them. When inspecting a pool without a liner, such as a gunite pool, you'll also want to check the interior of the pool's surface for cracks or deterioration. You also want to check to be sure that the lighting works and that the fixtures are not loose. The water level should be halfway to the skimmer basket. You'll also want to check the skimmer basket to make sure that it's not dirty or damaged. The water in the pool should also be relatively clean and clear. Any areas that are not visible should be properly waived on the inspection report. Pools generally have a control panel, such as this digital one, or one made up of breakers. The panel can be used to cut the lights on and off, also to cut on any other auxiliary items such as a gas heater or a hot tub. Pools are also required to be on a GFCI breaker. Before testing the pool equipment, you'll want to inspect the plumbing components to be sure that they are free of leaks or any visible damage. You'll also want to check the backwash or the cleaning mode of the pool equipment. To do so, the first thing to do is to cut the filter off. Once off, you'll want to take the handle and move it from filtration to backwash. After placing the filter in backwash mode, you'll want to check the pipe coming off of the filter to determine where the backwash will go. Try to have it terminate in the grass and or away from the home. To test the backwash, simply cut the filter back on. You'll want to run it and check out the sight glass on the pump. See the milky color? Once it becomes clear, you know that it is backwashed properly. Once the sight glass has become clear, you want to cut the filter back off and turn the handle on the pump back to filtration. Then simply cut the filter back on. To turn heaters on, generally they are auxiliary 1, and then you can also test it by the digital panel to see if it's functioning. Once the heater cuts on, you can take your temperatures from the exhaust, or you can feel the temperatures coming out of the jets. Be sure to cut off all accessories once the inspection is complete. Visibility from the home to the pool should be unobstructed. It should be free of vegetation or any other items that would block the view of the pool from the inside of the home. Also, some jurisdictions require an alarm on any exterior door that leads to the pool. I hope you guys have enjoyed our basic pool inspection video. Obviously, the methods and techniques used to inspect a pool will vary by area.